Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're going to look at how to attach files in Gmail. So I'm going to show you a few different methods. So to start with, you're going to head to your Gmail account. Then we're going to click on Compose. We're going to create our message. So add the address you want to send the file to, add in a subject, and whatever you want to say to the person. Then we're going to go down and we're going to attach the file. So we've got a few different options here. So you can click on the paper clip and attach a file from your computer. So if you have something like a folder, photo, or Word document, you can attach it here. So click on there, find your document, and then click on your document, then attach it to the email, click open, and that will attach to the email. The other option is scrolling over to where it says insert files using Drive. So if you've created a document using Google Docs or Google Sheets, this is where you can attach. So clicking on there, then you can click on your Drive and find the document you want to attach, click on it, and then that will be added as an attachment or as a link. So those are the different ways to attach files in Gmail. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I will see you soon.